Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be sharing some new items from Erin Condren. So this is part of the new home and desk organization items that are launching. I will have links to everything below once they become available. So I'm very excited to share this with you guys. Really want to thank Erin Condren for sending this to me. Y'all know I love their home and desk organization, so really excited to dive into this box and share it with you guys. So I would put the box on here, but there's a lot of big items and I have to keep it on the floor, and we'll just pull everything out one by one. So let's start with something really fun. So we have a blush weekly scheduled desktop whiteboard with storage. So I'm very interested to see what exactly this is. Sorry guys, I'm losing my voice. I'm dealing with like allergies. So it might be going in and out, which I apologize for. But we're gonna open this one up and check it out. Unfortunately, I do not have prices right now. But again, links will be below. So let's see. Here is the dashboard, and it's a nice like lightweight wood, so it's not too heavy. On the back it says it's 14 inches by 7.5 inches by 2.5 inches, so pretty compact. Weekly schedule whiteboard storage compartment, fits up to an A5 softbound planner or notebook. Take your hybrid workspace to the next level. Shop our full collection at erincondren.com. So let's just slide this off. And let's see. So it looks like you can fit pens up here. And oh, it opens up for storage. Oh, that's actually really nice. And so at the end of the video, I'm going to show you all my hybrid workspace that I've created. If you've seen my updated office tour, I have my own like workspace, and I think we'll try this out. I probably will see if it comes in like a neutral color because I'm not a big pink person, but we're going to try it out to see if it fits. And then if it comes in a neutral color on launch day, I'm probably going to buy the neutral and then probably give this to my best friend because I know she loves pink stuff. So I'm really excited for this. So you can fit like markers and stuff up here, and it looks like it won't affect opening it. Actually, they set markers. So here's a set of fine tip wet erase markers. So let's put some in here for fun and see if you, yeah, so you can open it even if you keep markers in here. It doesn't stop it from fully opening, or pins. So that's actually really nice too, because that will help with keeping things compact, because I would probably keep like a pen for my planner and then this here, so that way everything's there, and then I can keep anything extra in this. So that's actually pretty fun. So I like that. Speaking of which, we'll put these fine tip markers. These aren't new, they've had these, but they just send stuff over so we can see what it looks like, and so that way we can try it out, which again, we'll set this up for the week also when at the end of the video, and put everything together. Let's see. So this was in a preview, I can't remember where. I think it was with the Life Planner launch, I don't remember. But it is the Blush MidCentury Circle Adjustable Wood Laptop Stand. I'm very excited for this and to try this out. Again, I'm gonna see if they have a neutral color, and I'm gonna pick up the neutral color, but look how cute this is together. If you are a pink person, I think this is the perfect combination. And honestly, I'm kind of excited about it. Anyways, I might stick with the pink theme. I don't know, we'll see. I'm sorry, blush theme. But let's open this up. Okay, and let's try and figure this out together. And again, at the end of the video, we'll try it out. So I have a laptop stand. Mine definitely isn't as cute. Mine's actually portable, which is fun. It's from Amazon. But this might be a good one for at home. So it is the same type of wood, smooth, pretty lightweight, and then you have these grooves so you can figure out, or so you can configure it to whatever width you want. I'm trying to see, am I doing this wrong? Why is this up? Oh, I think, is it this way? Oh, it's this way. Sorry guys. That makes more sense. So we have this here, and so let's put it here. So this is the second to lowest and then you can adjust it to whatever size you need. Oh my god, I feel so stupid. Okay, but we have this, and we will again put both of these on my desk later on and see what they look like together and in use. But really loving these. I think it's perfect for back to school as well as just work from home. I have a 100% remote job now and love both of these pieces, especially this. I'm really excited for the schedule, because I can like easily write things out, like if I need to reschedule a meeting or if I just need something quick to do that I don't want to put in my planner. I'm kind of looking forward to this. Let's see, we also have it looks like it's a planner caddy. There's no, well, there's probably a tag on it. Let's open it up. I didn't get like a list or anything with prices or names, so we're kind of just looking at everything together and figuring out everything together. So let's take this up. This is the Flora design. I think I see a tag. And this is the organizer caddy. I'm sorry, In Bloom, not Flora. That was the old one. And let's open her up. Well, first, here's the design. Y'all know I'm not a floral person, but I do actually have plans with this that I'll share in just a second. So when you open it up, you have an organizer here, and this is perfect. So I think we all know that planner caddies have been pretty popular. So I love that Erin Condren decided to create their own. Get the Velcro so that this stays open, and then you can adjust it however you want. So if you want to just have 2 compartments, no compartments. If you want to have 3, Velcro the side. I also think this would be great inside of your car. I actually bought something similar to this on Amazon, and it's a lot bigger though, that I use for my car. But if you need, maybe if you're taking your kids or carpooling to school, to keep like snacks or toys in there, I think that'd be pretty cool as well. You can easily carry this around. It's pretty lightweight. You have 2 pockets on one side, 1 large pocket over here that also has like pen holders, so that way if you want to use this for planning and not for home, you can like keep all of your pens safe in there. Let's see, on this side you have an additional 2 pockets, and then you have a zipper pocket, which is nice if you just want to throw in maybe like wipes or anything, or just things that like paper clips and stuff that you don't want everywhere. Or like I would probably put my whiteout and double-sided tape in there, right? So that way it's just functional items. But yeah, this is the let's see, organized caddy. I'm excited to see what other designs that it comes in. Again, not the floral person. I plan on using this as a gift. So one of my oldest friends just had a baby, so I'm gonna fill this up with mom products. If you follow me on Instagram, I asked just like moms and new moms things that they would have liked when they first had their baby, because I just thought this is so cute for, you know, carrying around whatever you need, all of your essentials right when you have your baby. And so I'm gonna fill it up with all of y'all's suggestions. People said water bottles, books, I think nipple cream, things like that. So I'm gonna run to Target and fill this up, and then I'm gonna share that on Instagram and TikTok with you guys on how what I put in here for her. So that's how I'm going to use it, and that way I feel like it's gonna be really beneficial for her to have something to probably even keep everything that she needs, right? Like this is big enough. Let me see if there's dimensions. So this, no, there's no dimensions. It's pretty like big, like you can fit a good amount of stuff in here. So here's one. So it's about 10 inches by, let's say like 13 or 14 inches. And then it's almost 8 inches tall. So like she can fit her pump in here. She can fit a lot of different things in here, which will be nice. I think this is great. And then she can easily like carry it around. You know, by easily, like it's just convenient to have everything in here. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this, but very multi-purpose. You can use it for anything, as you all see. I think it's just great to store everything. And then of course you can fit all of your planners and calculators and everything in it if you want to use it for planning. So yeah, we have that. And then we have a desk pad. So this is, let me see if there's a title. Yep, there's not. So you have my vision. It has the gradient and then what this vision means, how to bring this vision to life, and next steps. So this is really good if you have a project or ideas that you want to really just draw out. You have all this space and then you can really break down everything that you're just thinking on this side. So I think this is great, especially if you're trying to start something new. Maybe if you want to start like a blog or something. Or if you just have a vision for maybe like a new business or like you name it. Alright, and then last few items in the box. So it is the new fall designs. These are already on the website. I believe everything's gonna be on the website by the time this video goes out. I'm not 100% sure though, and don't want to lie to y'all. But I know these are for sure already on the website, so these will for sure already be linked below. So let me see if I can get their names pulled up. But yeah, y'all know I love Erin Condren's fall designs. They're so cute. So we have this plaid. This is the flannel. I'm sorry, flannel. This also comes in a pink and purple style, so similar to like these two. But we have the green and blue here. There's also a really pretty watercolor fall flower design. We have the metallic autumn breeze. This is on a classic lined notebook, and they added a quote that says, "Fall is proof that change is beautiful." And y'all, Erin Condren notebooks are incredible. If you love these designs and you don't want to switch out your planner, or if you love multiple designs, right? Like I'm obsessed with this Halloween design. Their Halloween designs are always incredible. This is the Spooktacular Spiders. This is an A5 notebook, or I'm sorry, A5 productivity notebook. And so if you love multiple designs, the best part is that if you want to continue to use them, you can always use a notebook, right, in your life. And then you can have all the designs that you want, including with your planner. Let me grab my Hourly. Or if you want to keep, like, I love the Star Wars cover. I don't plan on taking it off. But look how well, like, this complements each other. And I can still use this and still be, like, festive, but still use the designs that I love. Yeah, that is everything inside of the box. So I would like to again thank Erin Condren for sending all of this to me. Links will be below. And so now let's try out these home organization pieces on my work desk. Okay, so here is my work desk. If y'all are new to my channel, I work from home full time, and so I bought a standing desk to separate work and then like personal. So this is my main desk that I've had and I love, and I just wanted a separate space, especially since they sent me like monitors and this full setup. I didn't want it all, like I wanted to separate work from home. And so this is where I create content, as you all see. This is also where I study, and then this is just work. So here are the pieces that I do have that we're going to replace. So I have, this is my work laptop, the stand from Amazon, and I do have the option to work from an office. I have all my pumpkin spices over here. I need to throw that away, real life. But this is a portable stand that you can take with you, and that's why I purchased it. So I think now I'm honestly just going to put this in my work bag, and I'll just use it at the office because it's portable. This is also great for when you travel, and if you want a stand, it's nice and compact. I'll have it linked below too if y'all are interested. So here we have that, and we're going to switch it out for the Erin Condren one just because it is pretty cute. Alright, and then here is what it looks like, and I do love the little accent pink. It would blend in with the board that we're about to bring over, but works perfectly fine. My laptop started up. Let me turn that off. Okay, I also took off the trash so that way we could focus. So below here, this is the dock that puts all the wires. So I need to keep that back there. But this is just a little organizer. So I think I'm going to take this off. I took these earrings off after a meeting. But I'm going to replace that with this because it's way more functional. And I'll put the pins in here. Let me take a gray pin out. And then I'm going to store these in here as well. And then I'm actually going to, I want to see if this fits underneath here. It kind of looks like it will. This is a monitor stand from Amazon. And I just wanted it so that way if I wanted to clear everything off my desk, right? Like I could do that. So here's my work/daily planner. Like it fits perfectly underneath here whenever I just want the space. I'm hoping this will do the same. Ooh, this is perfect fit. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Okay, so I can fit this underneath here. I'll probably need to move this underneath here, which is fine. That's initially where I had it, but I had the acrylic stand there. So I'll just move that back. But I'm gonna store this underneath here. Let me do that really quickly off camera. I can't do it one-handed. I'm using it. So I need to fix the wires, so ignore that. But I moved that over here. And then I was actually able to put this underneath with my agenda, which I love. And so whenever I want to use this, I can pull it out. If I want to keep it out, you know, I can just probably keep it there when using it. And then same with my agenda, I can pull this out, plop it open, and use it. And I love this. I think this is great, and I'm really excited to use this in my work from home setup. I'm probably going to keep the colors just because it adds a little pop of color in here, and I think it matches my like mini fridge over here. Sorry guys, I did a plan with me before this, so it kind of like bridges those colors together. So honestly, unless like they come out with something really cute neutral wise, I'll probably just keep these two because they look really cute. But yeah, that is all of the new items from Erin Condren. And if y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.